In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Looker Studio to Search Console. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for so your Search Console data can feed directly into your Looker Studio report. Start by opening Looker Studio in your browser. You may still see it referenced as Data Studio in some places, but it's the same platform. From the home page, head to the reporting area where your dashboards live. Open the report you want to enrich with Search Console data. If you're creating a new dashboard later, that's fine too. For now, we're focusing on how to attach the data source to the report you're viewing. Once your report is open, switch it into editing mode. Look for the edit option at the top of the screen. If you land in view mode, you won't be able to change data sources, so this is an important toggle. If you don't see the edit controls, you might not have edit access to the report. In that case, request the appropriate permissions from the owner before continuing. With the report in edit mode, find the Add Data button in the toolbar. This is where you connect new data sources to your report. Clicking it will open a panel that highlights recently used connectors and popular options. Next, choose Connect to Data to open the full connectors library. This is the catalog of sources you can bring into Looker Studio, including Google-owned connectors and partner integrations. If the library looks overwhelming, don't worry, we're going to search for exactly what we need. Use the search field and type Search Console. Spelling matters here, so type it as 2 words to surface the official Google Search Console connector quickly. If nothing appears, double-check that you're signed into a Google account that has access to the Search Console property you intend to use. The connector will still show up, but you'll need access to proceed. From the results, click the Search Console connector. Selecting this connector sets you up to pull in key metrics like clicks, impressions, average position, and click-through rate. At this point, you're exactly where you need to be to complete the connection. Looker Studio will guide you through any remaining prompts on screen, such as confirming access, and it will clearly indicate the next choices right inside the interface. A couple of quick tips as you proceed. Make sure you're working in the correct Google account, keep your report in edit mode while you connect data, and remember that any edits you make only affect this specific report. With that, you've successfully navigated to the Search Console connector and are ready to bring your search performance data into Looker Studio.